Yes, we got Steve in the house. So he's got his Savage back on the go. Later on we have a look at the new stuff in there. Let's have a quick little sneak peek. Oh,
That's big.
Oh, is that a new motor in there?
12S capable.
12S Steve. Oh! Mitchell's got his trophy truggy in the house, brushless, newly converted Savage Flux. What motor we got in this thing?
22 kV. 6X Max X combo.
You got 6S in there now?
No, it's 4S at the moment because I've got to get used to it.
Still going to be an animal though. What's going on here?
I know.
Flavour saver, clunch sponge.
That's a bit loud.
Nail it! It sounds a lot smoother now, man, yours. Hey! He put that there. Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God. Uh-oh. I think I killed it. Oh, killed it. Smoke coming out the motor. Game over. Motor's dead. Not having it. Hey!
Hey!
Oh, I'm in a bit of a... Oh, which way do I go?
Oh, he saved it, he saved it.
Ah. What happened?
Kiss me on the head. Yeah, how you doing? He licked my head.
Oh.
No ice cream.
Oh.
Silly.
You bunch of clowns.
He looks like a clown. Yeah. Red nose.
Egg.
Oh, damage.
Oh, you broke.
So everything is pretty much broken. So on the amp, that's broken.
Yeah.
On this, knuckles broken, or have you fixed it?
No, it's fixed. That's
Right.
fixed.
On this, that snapped off. Savage, rear diff,
Yeah.
X-Maxx motor. That's working, isn't it? Mitchell's.
Yes, yes.
Mitchell never breaks anything.
Breaking the leg.
off the log. Oh, here he goes. Hello. Ah. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Ah!